want to be president. I am not interested. It does not appeal to me.
Actually, 2012, Vice Mayor siya noon. I had a talk with Juni Basto. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sir, mataas yung rating ni Binay that time. Parang siya na talaga yung would-be president na. Kasi siya yung vice president. Tapos, sabi ko kay Jun, ayun, alam mo, ang pwede lang lumaban kay Binay, si Mayor Duterte.
Parang early months ng 2014, merong mga ilang barangay captains na nag-umpisa ng parang pagtutulak ng Rodrigo Duterte for President movement.
There were many parallel groups already. In the case of the barangay captains in Davao City through Marma Sanggit, and then the other parallel groups, volunteers. So we started with the listening tour. It actually started on December 12 of 2014.
Yung pagka-ikot-ikot, yung sabi nila, nagkakampanya ako. Sino bang gustong ayaw ng biging presidente? Yung mas napaka-corny mo na. And I do not have any money. Where do I find the money? You can look at the bank and, what I have are savings for my retirement, because when you, pag matanda ka na, it's medicines and hospital yan. I know that because I took care of my mother. Kakainin yung punta ka pa sa mga anak mo, they have to mortgage their properties. So ako sabi ko, wag na. So, kind of, it's a vague picture for me to be messing up with the presidency.
Over 10 of 2015, may sinabi na si Mayor na tatakbo na siya. Ganon. Kaya medyo maligaya na kami dahil sa mahabang panahon na pag-aantay namin sa kanya na pagsabi siya na tatakbo siya.
It is the clamor of the people who are desperate over how things are in our country. And we saw for ourselves the situation, especially on the issue of drug proliferation.
It was really a very difficult, rigorous activity for us, most especially for the Marco Polo 15, because the good mayor started by saying that he does not covet the presidency, that he does not want to be a president.
Ang hirap magkampanya ng wala kang pera, walang machineries. Ang hirap magkumbinsi ng tao pero hindi kami nawala ng pag-asa.
The difficulty is, secondly, we could hardly start because of the dearth of resources that we had, human resources. Whom will I call on people to work with us?
Unbelievable ang response. Doon nga kami nagkaroon ng idea, let 100 flowers bloom. Maraming mga organizations na umusbong, maraming mga chapter ng federalism, ng Rudy Duterte for President movement.
sa mga Pilipino, huwag kayong padadala sa mga paninira. Masyado nang too late para siraan yung isang kandidato na minamahal ng tao.
Patapos na itong kampanya, ngayong gabi, alas 12 yan, gusto ko na yung mga nasa droga, kriminal, pumakhinto kayo. Ngayon, kung matapos, pag nagkita pa tayo bukas, pasensyahan. Yung corruption sa government, I have one message for all of us in government. It's STOP. Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. That is my message. Sa mga corrupt, stop.